Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our series, this is going to be the last video of input output and this program 10 programs. This is the last video. Next we are going to start a new topic. But before going to start, this is one of the interesting problem and you can face this question in many places in semester exams and your interviews. Many people will ask this. It's a good question actually. As part of our knowledge means this is the starting series, right? We are at the starting, only input output data types we covered. In these three topics, this is the best question, one of the best question. And see here, write a python program write a python program to read two numbers means basically integers. Okay, and swap their values. Means we need to swap their values. Means what they are telling means they will write print ab niche also. They will write print ab. Let me make it bring down. So here I have some value a is equals to 10. Here I have some value b is equals to 20. Okay, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. What will be the output here? 10 comma 20, right? What will be the output here? 10 comma 20. Am I correct? Yes, right? So the motive of the code is here I should get 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. Here I should get 20 comma 10. 20 comma 10. Am I clear? Am I clear? Now, what you people tell, intelligent people, they will tell that please make it a is equals to 20, b is equals to 10. So you will get print ab, you will get 20 comma 10. Yeah, am I correct? Yes, right. But think it will be like int of input of. So you don't know what is input. For your understanding, I told a is equals to 10, b equal to 20. It may be anything. In real world, you will not get directly 10 and 20. You will write with the statement a is equals to int of input of, b is equals to int of input of. Am I correct? Now, these three lines are fixed. These four lines are fixed. Not 10 and not 20. A is equals to int of input of, B is equals to int of input of, print A comma B, print A comma. These four lines are fixed. In this logic, in this part, you need to write your process or method to bring A value to B, B value to A value to B and B value to A. This is the question. You need to swap. Swap means interchange. These are two values. Interchange the values. This is the question. How you will do this? How you will do this? Now, what is the problem means if I write B is equals to A, then A value will get to B. But what about B value? B value will be gone. B value will be gone. In memory, B value will be gone. Why? Because you are telling A value to B means who is holding B value? For example, B value is 20, A value is 10. Whenever you tell B is equals to A, then what the computer will do? It will delete this. It will tell B value also A. Then how can I get this B value? How can I get this value? There is no scope. There is no scope. How can we do this? This is the real question. So don't think A is equals to 10, B equal to 20. It is some input and B is some input. We'll write these statements. So it should print 10 comma 20 here. Again in case here it should print 20 comma 10. Am I clear? This is the question. So we need to write our logic here. So how can we do this? This is a little bit tricky, but once you understand this, it is very easy. So I am writing C is equals to B. C is some variable that is value holding B. Now see memory A, B, C. Three values A, B, C. A value is 10, B value is 20. A value is 10, B value is 20. Now I wrote C value is equals to B. C value is equals to B. Then what is the C value? B. What is C value? 20. So C value is 20. Am I clear? C value is 20. Now C value is safe, right? C value is a Xerox copy of B. C value is a Xerox copy of B. So I can do whatever the thing I want with B. Why? Because B is already safe here. So I will write B is equals to A. B is equals to A. Then see B value is 10 now. B value is 10 now. We completed a half swap. Half of the swap is completed. One value interchange. Now I should make a value as a value as 20. How can I make a value as 20? C is equals to a. Sorry, a is equals to c. A is equals to c. Am I correct? This is simple, right? What we did first, we did safe. We make c as a xerox copy of b. We make c as a xerox copy of b. Next, what we did, b is equals to a. A value we brought it to b. A value we brought it to b. Next, a is equals to c. A is equals to c means a will become c value. A is equals to 20, b is equals to 10. Now if I print, it will get a value as 20, b value as 10. Initially in the memory, a value 10, b value 20. So it will work for any case. It will work for, now note it to tell 10 20 input of whatever the input you give, first value, second value, both value will be changed. Both value will be changed. So just this is the program. Let me check let me check. See, as I told, a is equals to int of input of, this will be already programmed. B is equals to int of input of. Next, print before swapping, before SWAPPING, before swapping values are values are comma a comma b. Now after logic, print after after swapping values are after swapping values are uh, comma a comma b. Why? Because see, okay, this is clear. Now what is our logic? What is our logic? See, if I run this program, first value is 10, second value is 20. It is printing 10 20 10 20. Yes, correct. Before and swapping same only. We should write our logic. If I write c is equals to b, first I am making b value safe. B value safe. Wait 1 minute. Why it is coming like this? B B value safe. Now I can do whatever the thing I want with B value. Why? Because it is safe. Now I am writing B is equals to A. Next step, A is equals to C. Am I correct? A is equals to C. That's all. It's very simple. Now see, if I am giving first value as 10 and second value as 20, it is telling 10 20 after swapping 20 10. For simplicity or for easy understanding, I am telling enter the first value. Similarly, here enter the second second value. Am I clear? Now see, first value 10, second value 20. It is printing before swapping, the values are 10 20. After swapping, the values are 20 10. Am I correct? Am I correct? That's all. This is the simple question. Do you know why I'm telling that this statement will be fixed and this statement will be fixed? Why? Because some people, what they will do means, just they will write, see, wait 1 minute. What they will do means, just what they will do means, I am copying this logic. What they will do means print a comma b, and what they will do next line means print b comma a. Print b comma a. See now what happened? 10 20. Now what it will bring? It is doing input output matching. Input output matching. If you write this code also, you input output as per the logic, it is correct. But what is the main thing they asked? You need to swap the values. You are not swapping here. You are just printing. Printing is wrong. You need to swap. Where you swapped, where you followed the question. So that I put some conditions. You should write this input statement only, this input statement only. Then you will come into question. If I fixed you, if I logged you, I will write print a comma b, print a comma b. Then you will implement the logic. If I don't tell this a comma b, what you will do? Just you will do a comma b, b comma a. You should not do like this. Should not do like this. You should print a comma b only. You should swap the values. Swapping means interchange the values. Two values you should interchange. The main motive of the question is to interchange. So that this is the question. I hope we completed 10 questions successfully. Now we will start the new topic known as condition statements. From the next video, we will start condition statements. Okay. I hope I am clear. If you are Still, if you have some interest to try some questions, please go to Google and type. I am typing some questions. See, I will write here. Uh, Try these questions if you are really interested. Try these questions. Hours, seconds. Sorry, seconds, hours. I will give hours. You should print seconds. This is one question. Celsius to, I will give Celsius temperature. You should make it to Fahrenheit. You should make it to Fahrenheit. Again, one more question is, I will give to principal, time, rate of interest. You should print simple interest, PTR by 100. PTR by 100. These are some questions. Please try it. If you like it, the questions, if you are able to understand, after all these 10 questions, if you are able to do these questions, I will feel very happy. Out of this, how many questions you are able to do? One, two, three. One question you are able to do, or two questions you are able to do, three questions you are able to understand. Please comment in the comment section. I will feel very happy. Okay, guys. Thank you for the thank you for watching. And if you really feel it is very good, please give me one comment. It will really helpful. And the YouTube or something, some algorithm will push this video forward. Will take this video to some more people. If he has a good comments, good likes, good comments, it will make the video push. It will push in recommendations so that please give me some like, comment, subscribe. Okay. Thank you.